So I'm back. Got my old key. New key came in the mail. So let me see, it's a blank, but it's got the right resistor and all of that. So just pulled up at the key place. So I'm gonna go ahead and try to get this cut to match this one, and then later on today, stop by the house and see if this works. But hopefully this fixes the problem. But stick around and we'll figure out. I'm at the key spot. Just realized somebody got me blocked in, but I do have a key made, so didn't take a minute time, couple minutes, but got the new key made, got a new blank, so hopefully it'll work. But I got other stuff to do, so let me go handle all that before I head to the house. So it might be a little dark by the time I try it out, but we got it made, so I'll get back to you. Moment of truth. It's been a week. It's been like a week and a half almost. Can't really tell, but the car dusting. But I got the key. The people at the key place said this key, the key that I had, they told me from the jump this was a bad key just because of how smooth it was. So the grooves weren't all that good anyway. So got the new key made. Hopefully this fixes the problem. Hopefully, because if not, then we got more stuff to fix. So new key. Nothing. So might be this ignition switch then. Yeah, so I'm thinking about it. I could either get this ignition cylinder, or I might just get rid of this whole thing and go push start. So I don't know. I'm gonna think about it for another day or so, but I really don't feel like replacing this ignition. Well, I don't feel like replacing this and it's still the exact same car. Like, if I'm gonna go through all of that work, I might as well run something new. So I might be getting a push start and just take this whole thing and bypass that whole little deal. But we'll see. But this is not gonna cut it at all.